Oh, hello fellow woodworkers, and welcome to this very special teaser edition of the Garage Workshop. I was just reading a story from my favourite book. Would you like me to tell you a story? Just make sure you're sitting comfortably, and I'll begin. Once upon a time, in a workshop far, far away. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to...
Me time in my shed and my phone rings. A, it better be important, and B, I need to turn that ringtone down. Hello, caller, and you join me on my phone in my shed.
Rob, it's Rog.
Rog.
From the Garage Workshop.
Roger, my fellow Parkside fanboy. What can I do for you?
I thought I'd challenge you this year, Rob, to a special Christmas build.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
There are 3 rules to follow, Rob. Number 1, seeing as we're both the biggest Parkside fanboys on the internet, you can only use Parkside tools.
Parkside.
The thing we make has to be Christmas themed. And number 3, you can only use items you've got lying around your shed. What do you think, Rob?
Challenge accepted.
Fantastic. I'll speak to you soon.
Cheers.
Roll the intro. And they lived happily ever after. The end. So, fellow woodworkers, if you want to see the entire video of the great Parkside fanboy build-off between Rob from Weekend Shedhead and me, tune into both our channels on Monday the 16th of December. It's worth waiting for. Take care, fellow woodworkers.